Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech News, and today I'm going to do unboxing of Huawei GT2 smartwatch. So let's do it. I have ordered this smartwatch for around 12,000 rupees, which is of Huawei GT. So this is the invoice. As you can see, it's for 11,990 rupees. It's Huawei Watch GT2e. And now we will see the package. Wow. It looks good. Packaging is amazing. The box of the watch. Huawei Watch GT2e. So this is how it looks. Isn't it fabulous? Yeah. I found it really good and attractive packaging. Now let's open this box and let's see the actual product. Just because I'm handling this phone unboxing single-handedly, so may happen that it will take time, just because it's very hard to hold this device and at the same time unboxing this. Alright. Here our box is unboxed. Voila, here it is. This Huawei GT2e smartwatch. Let's see. Okay. So let's put it into this. And there are few sections here which contains USB cable, that's it in this box. And here is a magnetic charge of Huawei. This is the charger on which I can place my watch and it will get charged. Now let's see this side. There are a bunch of manuals. This is the warranty card, and this one is the big manual. This one I will have to read it, maybe. I don't know when I will read this. Well, apart from that, there is just one barcode scanner. And that's it. There is nothing else inside it. Alright, so let's go toward the watch. Let's see this. So this is how it looks like. Its belt is also good. Here are the sensors. Here in the guidebook they have shown different things about the watch, and we are going to follow one of them. We are going to start it let's hold this button and let's check out. Voila, it's started now. It's look good and it's a bit vibrated when I just see it's in hearing download Huawei on your phone, then add this device. Alright. So these are the section and it's smooth. I liked it actually, its smoothness. And the below button is for the down button. Well, for this I have to install its application to get paired with this. I think this is the first time I have ordered this smartwatch and I have to set the product thing, I think. So maybe in future I will show the multiple things of this, maybe in this part as well, but it will take some time to show me all the features of this watch. So till then you guys have to wait, but this was the unboxing of this watch. So thank you for watching this video and hit the like button if you like this video. Thanks a lot. Well, before I went offline, I wanted to show how it looks on my hand, and this is how it looks. So just because I have to download the app and do the whole setup thing, I'm not able to show all of the things, but this is what I can show for now. It looks good actually, I liked it. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.